Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Me and Jacob are here about to head out. To Canyon Lake. Early morning session. We fished until about 12, so fishing with reaction baits here. So we'll see what we can do. I'll get back to you guys on the road or on the way to the lake. Guys, I'm gonna start off throwing reaction baits early in the morning, looking for those shad chasers. If that doesn't work out, we'll probably switch spots and slow down. Something like a shaky head, drop shot. It's super foggy. Probably can see like 10 feet in front of you. Jacob back there. It's cold as butt cheeks, but I'm good to go. So we're here fishing, and look what I caught. So that just shows how big the bait fish are. Tell us what we need to imitate. It's the key to the puzzle. Let's keep fishing. Got the first little bass right here on the swim bait. There's a giant cut through him. I don't know if he got like hit by a boat or something, but first little dink. Let's get some more. Hit it right. He was sitting right here on the launch ramp. Yeah, right at my feet. I was about to bring it out of the water and he just sloop. I'm on his grandpa though. This cove looks pretty juicy. There's some shad popping back here. So we're gonna throw that Kitech back there. Oh! I got bit. Throw that Kitech back there so we can't rip out. Me and Jacob are here fishing, and it's a beautiful fall morning, perfect, but they don't want to cooperate. Caught a lot of small fish, a lot of dinks, but we can't find the big ones. we've seen a couple fish chasing shad, but we couldn't get them to commit to our baits. I've got a couple bigger bites, but nothing big so far. So we're gonna stick it out here. What time is it? It's like 9. That's only 8:30. I'm gonna stick it out here like 3 more hours, 4 more hours. That's a long time to stick it out, but, but we're gonna keep on fishing, keep switching out baits, and we'll see if we can get on something bigger. Water's crystal clear, foggy, you can't see anything. There's Jacob over there fishing. Trying all different types of techniques, but can't seem to get them. Slowed it down, sped it up, met in the middle. Can't find them. I'm holding my camera over the whole water. Imagine it slipped. Oh, I would have cried. So we're moving spots. Caught a whole bunch of dinks. I'm about to poop my pants, so we're going to find a bathroom. But hopefully this next spot, we're trying something completely different, so hopefully this next spot produces for us.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna see cruising bass right now.
We're at the next spot. Flip these docks with cross. Maybe try some reaction just because I like fishing fast, but for the most part it's gonna be slow. Oh, there's a dead bass right there. Are you kidding me? Or is that a crappie? Oh, looks pretty good. There's a lot of docks to be. A lot of docks. A lot of structure. Clean water. We'll get back with some fish. Yeah, I'm on the chatterbait. It's small, but oh, he's not that small. It's a nice fish. Get up here. Oh yeah, nice fish on the chatterbait. What? Yeah. Oh, he just spit up something. Beautiful fish on the chatterbait. It's like 2 pounds. He's jacked up. His back's all hurt. I was like, you see that corner right there? I was like, I'm gonna throw right past the corner and I'm gonna keep it up top. So I threw it on the corner, burned it down. I was working it fast too. As soon as it came by the corner, I popped it twice and he sucked it in.
No, my cat is.
Got a nice chunk here on the chatterbait. Slurp. Back up a little bit. Threw it by that corner over there on the dock. Swam past the corner, popped it twice, flared up the skirt, and he choked it. Caught this nice little 2-pounder on the chatterbait. Choked it all the way down. Come on. Get the release on him. Beautiful fish. Did you place them?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful fish. What happened, Jacob? It's the struggle. The behind the scenes.
I'll teach you guys a good trick. How to get baits out, so.
I'm gonna laugh if you drop your rod.
That's gonna break. Pretty risky, honestly. But it's worth it. $20 crankbait, so. Lots float, right?
Yeah, the candle should float. If not, we could just snag your rod again. Did you get it out? You gotta like throw it towards it, yeah. I don't think it's working, Jacob.
Yeah, I don't think it's working. Yeah.
Just throw it. You pop it out.
I just broke my rod tip. $20 crankbait.
Another little dink. Chatterbait. Go. Let it hit the bottom off the front of this dock right here. And we got it good. White chatterbait. Release on it. Perfect. There we go. It's a nice one. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, no, it's not that big. It just looked nice.
Yeah.
Nice. I'll get the camera. Jacob finally got one.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
On the homemade chatterbait. Let's get it. It's war baits with the chatter blade on it. Get the release. Can I take a picture?
Skinny.
And a release.
All right, get the release on him.
He's blind.
Oh yeah. Grab him with the other hand. I'm gonna turn the exposure so you can see something. Oh, sheesh. Flipping these Senkos up under the dock. That was a horrible flip. Still a real slow day. Tomorrow should be really good. Coming out on our float tube so we can cover a lot more water, get a lot deeper, get on a deeper bite. Find more variety of fish because this cold front, it just came through. It went from being 105 every day to probably like 65 every day. So these fish are just thrown off. They don't know what to do. We're gonna find them deeper tomorrow. All right, you guys, so that's it for today. I got about 3 nice ones. Jacob caught one. All our fish came on white chatterbaits. So we found a little bit of a pattern at the end of the dock. White chatterbaits. slow retrieve. They're thumping that. We'll be back tomorrow with float tubes, so you guys will see a lot of the GoPro shot. Just walking up. So that's it for today. Gonna head in, get some donuts, go home. Catch you guys later. What'd they say? You got a new one?
Yeah.
Had a hair on this burger. Pressed the issue, got a new burger.
I wasn't even gonna get a new burger.
I would've pressed the issue, got a new burger. Your old spread is right here. Here.
Oh no, we're so sorry about that.
I've been mad as dead.